Hello and welcome. Today we'll be talking about the Vanquest FTIM 5x7 organizer pouch. This is the front of the pouch here, and in the front of the pouch you have a small slip pouch here which houses a medical kit, some toilet paper in a Ziploc bag, and some ear protection, and it's secured via this Velcro patch in the front here. We also have a hook and loop field on top. On the side here, we have a Open 2 and a aftermarket case here. We have 550 paracord, and then we also have the Lumentop Tool 2.0 light with a lithium-ion rechargeable battery inside. On the top here, on the handle, we have some 275 paracord wrapped up, about 10 feet also, and then we also have an S-binder clip as well. We have another S-binder clip for the carrying lanyard for the Tool 2.0, and then we have MOLLE adapter pals webbing here on the side and a Velcro attachment point here in the back. Move over to this side here, we have a dozer, K-bar knife, and some Purell. We're going to open up the bag here. The bag opens up like a clamshell, and inside we have a whole elastic webbing series of organizer spaces. On the top here we have a DC to USB cable with the micro USB adapter for this plug port here. This cable integrates with the charging system later on, and we'll show you. We have some candy and another micro USB DC cable for the VX1R here. We have a slim rescue whistle howler, and we have a small plastic bag with microfiber cloth inside. We also have another plastic bag underneath on the top as well for extra containers. In this slot here, we have a Nitecore NU05 headlamp. It's a micro headlamp that can be charged via micro USB. Underneath it, we have a fire starting kit. This is the SOL striker and some tinder in a waterproof plastic bag. Sometimes organizing this can be a bit of a challenge to get everything back in the slots correctly, but it does work pretty well. Moving down, we have another whistle ferrous rod combo. You can use that as a belt buckle or some kind of buckle system if you need to. And then we also have some waterproof matches, stormproof matches from UCO, and some birthday candles, along with their strikers inside, and a waterproof bag. Moving down, we have a Bic Lighter Mini. Underneath the Bic Lighter Mini, we have two hairbands, elastic hairbands here. And then we have another 10 feet of 275 4-strand paracord. Moving over to this side here, we have a Hydra blue 3-stage water filter, 0.1 microns, and the extra carbon filter for another 50 gallons, making this a total of 100 gallons filtration. And then we have a small vial with 3 sewing needles and sewing thread. Moving over, we have the IR1 2 EOS mini light, recharges via micro USB, much like the Nitecore NU05 in the kit. All the lights in the kit, the 4 different lights, are chargeable via micro USB or USB-C. Moving along, we have some zip ties here, and then we have some adapters, a USB-C adapter to mini USB, and also another lightning adapter for the cables that we run in the kit here, so we can charge up a variety of different electronics. We have a nail clipper here on this side. We have an Anchor Velcro strap for cable management here. We have a variety of paper clips here, along with some extra zip ties, and we have some safety pins as well. Moving along the side here, we have another 24 feet of 1.18 millimeter cordage, 95-pound tensile strength. And sliding over, we have our cutting tool, secondary cutting tool, which is the Leatherman P4 Squirt. I needed pliers for this kit, and this fit perfectly for the size and functionality of the kit here. Moving along, we have an OLED USB to mini USB cable. And then on this side here, we have a small fishing kit in this container here with some hooks and sinkers. And then we have some more zip ties on this side. And then we have lip balm on this side. At the front here, we have the Yaesu VX1R with a SMA to BNC adapter. We have the antenna that goes with the radio. This is the Miracle Baby CH32 BNC antenna. Further along, we have a handkerchief, and then we also have the battery bank of the kit here. This is a ULG Ultra green solar AA charger. It charges via solar panel or input for the USB cord at the top here, and we have the corresponding adapter inside, and it runs off of nickel metal hydride batteries. Further in the bag, we have a SO239 to BNC adapter for the radio. And then on this side of the pouch here, we have small lemonade powder. There's two components here. This big pouch has a mylar blanket and credit card with duct tape. And that's pretty much it for the big pouch in the back there. In the smaller pouch, we have a waterproof bag for collecting water, a reflecting mirror for signaling, and further in we have some O-rings and a small liquid-filled compass. And that is pretty much the whole entire kit. As you can see, it fits my needs for my uses out in the field. It's a versatile bag that you can customize to your own specifications. I use this in conjunction when I am at work or I'm out doing ham radio operations on the hilltop. It's a very lightweight kit. It's about 3 pounds or so, maybe a little bit more. But it carries everything I need for an extended duration out on the trails or being out and about. The challenge is getting everything to fit back together. But I think we're going to be successful today. And that is the Vanquest 5x7 FTIM Generation 2 EDC bag. Thank you for watching.